guys, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this most awaited video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as the title says, 16 gifts for 16th birthday is this video all about, and I received so many DMs, so many queries on Instagram that when am I going to upload this video. I'm so sorry for the delay in uploading this. And yes, here this is one disclaimer I would like to give, friends, that if you think that it's going to be a huge clothing haul or a huge makeup haul, then I'm sorry to disappoint you. It is not about that. But if you're still curious to know what are those 16 gifts that I gave my daughter on her 16th birthday, and you want to know budget friendly gift items, basic gift items that every girl would need and love, then you can continue watching this video. So let's get started and jump into the haul session. So the first step that I did was, friends, I decided on a budget, and then I segregated the budget into her needs and her wants, because otherwise if I try to buy everything as per her wants, wishes, then the budget would get exceeded, which I didn't want to. So segregating them as per the needs and wants became very easy. So yes, let's jump into the haul and let me show you what is that I got her. So here I'm starting with all her needs, and then we will move on to all her wants that she wished to own. So the first thing that I have here is a dress from Vera Moda. It's a black knot dress and it's a very pretty dress. It's very simple, sober. I will attach a picture here so that you will get a clear view of the dress. So this is it. And it has a slit here, as you see in the picture, and it has a knot. It's a very simple, basic black dress, and I got this from Vera Moda online store, and it costed me just 1,000 rupees. It is a black dress which we are not supposed to buy, so I may land up taking money of this dress from any of my sister, because gifted pehen sakte hain black, but we should not buy black for ourselves. So this is the first dress that I got for her, because she loves black. Anything black, jeans, black t-shirt, black dress, black, kuch bhi usko bahut pasand hai. So this is one thing. So moving on to the next purchase, which is her birthday dress, without which her birthday party wouldn't have been possible. So this is it, and I will share the picture here. And this is a West Side dress. This is a dress from West Side, and it is an off-shoulder dress. Beautiful piece, and especially the color, this lilac or lavender, whatever you call it, this color is beautiful. She did have a single piece of this color, so the moment we saw this at the store, we were like, yes, this is what we want. And this costed us 1499. Now here comes the other purchase, which is this. It is a tarot card t-shirt, and it is a very beautiful piece. So this piece is from Forever 21. This is a tarot card t-shirt, which is a very pretty t-shirt, and the fabric is super good and soft. And this is a tie and dye t-shirt with a tarot card print on top. And I have showed this in my vlogs earlier, and this costed us so we got this during the Black Friday sale, and the price of this was close to 530 or something. So yes, this is it. And the other purchase is also from Forever 21. However, this is not from the store. The t-shirt is from the store, and this jean is from the Forever 21 site. And this costed me just 500 rupees, and the fitting of this jean is super good, friends. She loves the fitting of it. It's a high rise and a skin fit jean. She didn't have this color, so we thought, okay, we'll get her one. And looking at the price, this is a steal. Trust me, 500 rupees mein Forever 21 ki super good fitting wali jeans is just a steal. So this was another thing that we got her in clothing, or rather this is the last piece in clothing. इसके अलावा हमने clothes नहीं खरीदे उसके लिए. So moving on to the other purchase. So this next purchase is also from West Side. Now this is a pair of earring, and very pretty ones, very sleek. She usually doesn't wear blingy earrings, but this was a simple sober one, so we got this for her. And this price of this is just 199. She was supposed to wear this on her birthday, during her birthday party, but she skipped this and wore her gold earrings. So yeah, this is another purchase. Now the other one is this. Now don't laugh at this. This is her need. As I said, I segregated as per her needs and wants. So she badly needed a calculator for her studies, of course. So we got her one. Yeah, that's it. And the cost of this was... क्या था इसका price? This was close to 400, less than 400. I'm not too sure on the exact price. Maybe I'll mention it in the description box. So close to 400. Yeah. Now we will move on to her wants, the things that she wished to own but she never had. So moving on to that, and in that the first thing that I got her is this chocolate mold, chocolate silicone molds to make chocolates. She loves baking and doing all such things, but I never let her do, because then the kitchen is in a total mess which scares the hell out of me. But since it was her birthday, I had to give her 16 gifts, and this is something she always wished for. So I thought apt time to get her this. So I got her this and she loved it. She wasn't expecting this at all. And the price of this was $183, and this is from Amazon. So the other purchase is also from Amazon, and these are these nails. I hope you can see it. These are simple French manicure nails. She's super fond of nails, but she's someone who never grows nails or never apply polishes. She keeps her nails in a very unkempt look. But she always wanted these, so I thought apt time to get these as well. And the price of this was close to 300 from Amazon. This is a set of 24 nails. It has a manicure stick, it has a mini file, that is a filer, a glue. So yeah, this is it, and she is so excited to use them. As of now, she has her nail art done from page 3, so she can't use them. But once that gets chipped off, I'm sure she will use them the very next day. So yeah. So moving on to other purchases which are from Nykaa, and all that you see here are from Nykaa. This was one single purchase, but I gave her on different days because luckily they also got delivered on different days. Yeah, these are something that she always wanted, because as a girl she also uses a little bit of makeup. I thought this is the right time where I segregate her makeup products and mine separately, and which is why I got her few basic essentials that she uses sometimes when she goes out. So I will tell you, and the best part about this Nykaa haul is, this small Nykaa haul is, friends, I got all of these during the Black Friday sale. So yes, I made use of all the discount offers, and this was a steal, believe me, because I'll tell you why. The first thing I have to show you are these sheet masks, and these are anyways all the time on discount at Nykaa, which is buy one get one free. So I got these 4 masks for her, which she loved completely. She has never used sheet mask, and this is the first time I got them these, so she was very happy. And the other purchase is from Faces. At that time during the Black Friday sale, Faces was running an offer of buy one get one. So I got her a Faces kajal. She's so fond of Faces kajal, and what I use is a gel kajal of Maybelline. She didn't want that. I mean, though she was using it, but she always wished for a Faces Canada ka kajal. So I thought, yes, why not get her these? So in the buy one get one free offer, I got a kajal. With the kajal, I was allowed to choose anything, and I chose an eyeliner for her because she never had one, but she always wished to apply eyeliners. And the first time she used her own eyeliner was on her birthday. And believe me, friends, I know the Faces kajal is very good, I know that, but I didn't expect such good results from Faces eyeliner. It gave beautiful finish and waterproof, smudge proof, and you know, even after her sleep it didn't smudge. She took an afternoon nap after applying the eyeliner and it didn't smudge at all. So I was super happy to see those results, and I think I will buy one for me as well, or use the same, and when this gets over I'll get her a new one. So yes, this was another steal because 549 रुपीज़ में मुझे बाय वन गेट वन मिल गया. और क्या चाहिए. And the other purchase is a lip balm. Like all other girls, she is super fond of lip balms, and I got her this Body Shop one strawberry flavor from Nykaa. Yeah. And Black Friday sale में ये मुझे पड़ा 200 रुपए का. Yes, smells amazing. So yeah, this is it. Body Shop का strawberry flavor, and it costed me just 200 rupees in the Black Friday sale. And next comes is a compact. She always uses my compact, and every time she uses, she comes back to me complaining कि आपके compact ने मुझे acne दे दिया, आपके compact ने मुझे rashes दे दिए, this and that. And I thought, hey भगवान, let me get her a new compact. And मैंने उसको Lakme का दिया because I thought it will suit her skin, because it's not very high end, it's a mid-range brand, and probably this might suit her skin. And believe me, it has suited her skin. No acne, no rashes, है ना, कुछ नहीं हुआ ना ये यूज करके. So this is the one, and इसका MRP है 249, but मुझे ये Black Friday sale में पड़ा 187 का ये मुझे पड़ा in Black Friday sale. So moving on to the last product that I have to show, but not the end of all 16 gifts, and this is from a very special brand, and she always was overwhelmed whenever we cross that store in any mall, especially in Express Avenue. Yes, it is Bath and Body Works, and Bath and Body Works में Black Friday sale में था option buy two get two free, and honestly friends, I didn't want to spend that much just to get these body mist or any fragrance for her. So हुआ ये, I will give you a very interesting tip that I always follow, and most of the time it's with my sister Pramila. तो ऐसा होता है, whenever we go to a store, whenever there is a sale on in any big brand, what we do is when they say buy two get two or buy one get one, we Dutch and purchase it. So this time I did not Dutch it with my sister Pramila, I Dutched it with my friend. So price of each body mist was is 699, and if I buy two I will get two. So चार मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी, I didn't need 4 of them. So what I did was I Dutched with a friend of mine, and 1399 में हमको ये 4 मिले. That is, I got 4 of these body mist in 1399, and I divided, as I said, I Dutched with my friend. So though she kept 2 and I kept 2, which means ideally it costed me just 350 rupees each. So 699 का एक की जगह मुझे 699 के 2 मिले. That is 350 rupees each, which is a steal. Believe me friends, Bath and Body Works का body mist fragrance is amazing, and it lasts for easily 4-5 hours, and it is a total steal. And this is something that she was not expecting at all, and this is the first thing that I gave her. सारे 16 gifts में this was the first gift she got, and she was so overwhelmed because she always wished for these things whenever she crossed Bath and Body Works store rather, in any mall. So she was super happy to get these as a first gift from all the 16 gifts. So yeah, so this is the tip friends, in case if you have any such sale and if you think कि you don't need 4, you can Dutch it with a friend or your family member, and it works out cheaper, trust me, like these. Otherwise I would have got 4 जिसकी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी 1399 में, and now 699 में मुझे 2 मिल गए, and we use the buy two get two sale as well. So these were all the 15 gifts, and the 16th and the most special gift was at the Page 3 salon. You all know, you all must have seen the video I uploaded on Page 3 pampering session that I gifted her, which was a part of my Instagram collaboration, and I made a separate video for that as well. And if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it now. You will know everything about Page 3 salon and the services that she took, that is my daughter took on her birthday. So yeah, that was a very special gift for her, because, and that is a dream come true for her. I won't say those were her wants, that was a dream come true, because she got her first manicure, pedicure and many other services done, that is nail art, etc. So do watch the video to know more about it. And there was a 17th gift as well friends, which was a laptop, an HP laptop, because she badly needed that. and she was been adjusting with my laptop all this while. But on her 16th birthday we decided to give her a laptop, but due to some technical glitch in the laptop we had to return it to Amazon, and we are waiting for the refund, and then we will buy it from a store nearby. So this is the laptop that we had ordered for her, friends, and this is an HP laptop, and we ordered Windows 10 from Amazon, but unfortunately what we received was Windows 8. And we gave a complaint to Amazon, and in return they said we will exchange it, and in the exchange unfortunately they delivered again Windows 8 instead of Windows 10. So now they are going to take this back and we are going to get the refund, and then we are going to order Windows 11 which is in the market now. So Windows 11 laptop usko gift karenge hum. And this is an HP. Many of you guessed it to be Mac Pro and all. Nahi friends, that's not my budget at all. So it is an HP laptop. So that's it, friends. This is how I spent my money very wisely and made use of all the discount offers, Black Friday sale in stores as well as online, and got these gifts for her. And yes, of course, I made use of Matt and Ladle, or rather my hard work, and got her the best gift that she never expected on her 16th birthday. That is the Page 3 salon collab. Services rather for her. For me it was a collab, for her it's the services that she got on her birthday. So yes, that's it. Do let me know, do comment and let me know how did you like this video. Did you find my tip helpful? And if so, please consider to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and families. And yeah, do try to gift the gift your children these kind of gifts and segregate them between their needs and wants. That way it makes a little easier on our pockets as well. So yeah, that's it, friends. That's all for this video, and if you liked it, please consider to follow me on Instagram as well. Matt and Ladle is my account. So yeah, see you again on a new day with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.